643, the blockade list. So in here, the user could specify a doorway to nowhere where these little tiny green rectangles are, right? Also here, but I kind of removed them because it looked ugly. So we want to prevent the user from creating doorways to nowhere. And so we're going to create a thing called the blockade list, which is going to explicitly disallow doorways on walls of rooms where if you had a doorway, it would walk you into void space. We do not want to walk into void space because void space will kill you. So right here in the file 196 section, we've added this blockade list section, and we have these shorthand references, or these shorthand variables, to set up our lookup table. So these variables are used for if there is a blockade. These variables here are used if there is not a blockade. And this is our blockade list. We take the room index and the wall enumeration, and we convert it to a blockade value. And if the blockade value is true, then there is a blockade on that wall, and we should not draw a doorway or a hallway. And so you see how everything is kind of laid out visually, and we can kind of tell where the blockades are. In order for this to work, the data has to be packed in scanline order, and the edge enumerations are clockwise. So we need to convert these clockwise edge enumerations to scanline order wall enumeration. So edge enumeration 4 and wall enumeration 4, they represent the exact same data. It's just that this is in clockwise order, top, right, bottom, and left, and this is in scanline order, which goes top, left, right, and bottom. So we're going to put an edge enumeration in, and then it's going to spit out the correct equivalent wall enumeration so that we can use this lookup table with the room index and the wall enumeration rather than the edge enumeration. And then down here, we're just going to check, make sure that this is the proper length. And then if we type this, this is fucking wrong because we're not going to use the edge enumeration. We're going to use the wall enumeration. So here's our footnotes, and here's our diagram explaining that lookup table. And then here is what we did in this video. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. If you want a longer explanation, you'll have to go here. You are here. There's ways to get a hold of me here. The snapshot for this source code is here. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. I'm Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine from complete fucking scratch. So like and subscribe.